Okay, good morning all of you. In today's video, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is entrepreneurship development. What is entrepreneur and how entrepreneurship will develop, in this chapter we will study. Now in this chapter we have to study introduction, history of entrepreneur, concept of entrepreneur, definition, characteristics of an entrepreneur, qualities of a successful entrepreneur, functions of an entrepreneur, entrepreneurship development, and that meaning, characteristics, process of entrepreneurship development, then recent initiative in entrepreneurship development, that is Startup India, Stand Up India, Agro-tourism and entrepreneur. Let's start with the introduction part. See, entrepreneurship is a full-time job. Means the entrepreneur who take initiative and run the organization. That process, his job is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a full-time job which requires dedication and hard work, which is done by entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means who is an innovator, who run the business, who owns the business, who produce the business, who is a creator of a business, who is a decision taker and a risk taker. Means entrepreneur is all-rounder. He own his business, he do production work, he is a market creator, he takes decision of the business, he takes many risks of the business. Entrepreneur is one of the important factor of production. Like men, material, labor, entrepreneur is also one of the factor of production which is essential to run a business. So entrepreneurs are referred to as fourth factor of production, like men, material, labor, and fourth one is entrepreneur. Along with the other factors such as land, labor and capital, men, material and entrepreneur. They generate employment opportunity as he is the owner of the company, he is the producer of the company. He used to generate employment opportunity. So they are the backbone of nation's economic progress. They plays a very important role in the development of any country by providing employment opportunities. So entrepreneur is a full-time job. Entrepreneurs are the innovators. They produce, they own the business, they do production work. He is a creator of a business, he takes decision, he takes risk, he is referred as a factor of production. He plays a very important role in nation's economic progress by providing employment opportunity in a country. Now, see the history of entrepreneur. In the early 16th century, the term entrepreneur was used by Frenchman to denote men leading in a military expedition. Means in 16th century, the term entrepreneur was used by Frenchman to denote the man who is leading in a military expedition. Around 1700 AD, the term was used in France for contractors or architects. Means in 16th century, it is used by a Frenchman to denote a man who is leading in military expeditions. Around 1700 AD, the term was used in France for contractors or architects. By early 18th century, the term entrepreneur was applied to business and economic activities by the French economist Richard Cantillon or Cantillon. So 16th century, Frenchman used to denote to a man who is leading in military expeditions. Around 1700 AD, the entrepreneur term was used in France for contractors or architects. In 18th century, the term was applied to business and economic activities by French economist Richard Courtillon. In 1848, the famous economist John Stuart Mill described entrepreneurship as the founding of a private enterprise. As far as India is concerned, several factors are responsible for the slow growth of entrepreneurship in pre-independent India. At the time of independence, the industrial base of our economy was very poor. The industries were facing many difficulties like shortage of raw material, shortage of capital, marketing problems, etc. However, the Indian government is considerably enhancing the ease of doing business. So, as far as India is concerned, there are several factors which slow the growth or which slowed the growth of entrepreneurship in pre-independent India. So, this is how entrepreneur came into existence. Now, next, concept of entrepreneur. The concept of entrepreneur varies from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time. Means you cannot use the entrepreneur term for a fixed topic, like it varies from industry to industry. In some industry, entrepreneur concept is different. In some country, entrepreneur concept is different, as well as time to time entrepreneur concept will change. It will vary. So it is not fixed, it varies depending upon the industry, depending upon the country, as well as depending upon the time. Economists never had a consistent definition. Just now we said entrepreneur varies from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time. Economists never had a consistent definition of entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneur comes from the French word entreprendre. It means to undertake. So it means to undertake. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to take a risk of loss in order to make a money. It comes from a French verb, entreprendre. It means to undertake. And the definition of entrepreneur is a person. Entrepreneur means a person who starts a business and who is willing to take a risk of loss in order to make money is known as entrepreneur. The common keywords businesses and risk are interrelated. Always business have risk. That risk is associated with business. Therefore, they are interrelated. If there is no real business or a risk, a person cannot be called as an entrepreneur. Means, if there is a business but no risk, in that case, a person cannot be called as an entrepreneur. There should be businesses and the business should have a risk. In that case only a person is called as an entrepreneur. Now, small businessman who has founded your neighborhood grocery shop is an entrepreneur. Certain examples are given in your textbook. First example is a small businessman who has founded your neighborhood grocery shop is an entrepreneur. Means near you, if there is a grocery shop and he is conducting a small business, that small businessman is known as entrepreneur. A founder of a startup laundry services means a laundry services starter is also called as an entrepreneur. The founder of the multi-billion Reliance Company Limited with his high-tech world-leading application is also an entrepreneur. So there are several examples given in your textbook. First example is grocery shop owner is also an entrepreneur. laundry services owner or founder of laundry services is also an entrepreneur. Multi-billion Reliance Company Limited is also a founder of multi-billion Reliance Company Limited is also an example of entrepreneur. Plumber who works for himself and unclogs your drain is also an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship means the willingness of an individual, a person who is willing to start a new business or a venture. Venture means a type of contract which have a limited time period. So a starter of a new business venture who is going to take a risk and manage it in this technology enabled competitive global environment is known as entrepreneurship. Means who is doing this work. Which work? To start a new business venture, take a risk and manage the business is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are passionate to innovate. The main function of entrepreneur is innovation. Entrepreneurs should be passionate to innovate, to lead, to invent, or a pioneer. Pioneer means a starter who is going to take initiative to start a business. So the entrepreneurs are passionate to innovate, to lead, to invent, or a pioneer with a disruptive product or technology. So entrepreneurs are passionate to innovate, lead, invent, or pioneer with a disruptive product or technology. The size of the business, the type of work involved, the age or the formal education of an entrepreneur does not restrict the entry of the entrepreneur. Means, and to become an entrepreneur, there is no age formality, there should be no formal education of an entrepreneur. It does not involve to become an entrepreneur. There is no restrictions for an entrepreneur that he should have that much size of business, he should work in this type of business. It is not mentioned. Any type of business, any type of work at any age or having any education or not having any education can become an entrepreneur. Similarly, the label of success or failure also does not matter because there is no restriction or there is no hard and fast rule to become an entrepreneur. Any person who is eligible or who want to become an inventor, who want to become a leader, who want to invent a business, who is a pioneer of a business can become an entrepreneur. So there is no any hard and fast rule to become an entrepreneur. In the same way, the level of success or failure also does not have any matter. Entrepreneurs are the people who have courage to offer and to share an idea. Means entrepreneur is a person or is a people or is an individual who have a courage to offer and to share an idea or a product or a service with the world. They try to make a market a better place where the needs of a consumer can be satisfied. So entrepreneur means this. Now next definition of an entrepreneur according to Howard Stevenson, a long-time professor at Harvard Business School, defined entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunity beyond resources control. Means entrepreneurship is a pursuit of opportunity, number of opportunity beyond resources control. Means having controlled resources, having limited resources or using limited resources. An entrepreneurship is a person who strive or who uses the opportunity in the market with the limited resources. So Howard Stevenson or Harvard Business School define entrepreneurs or entrepreneurship is a pursuit of opportunity or beyond resources control. Rest we will continue in next topic. Thank you.